In the UK, over 500,000 food businesses are rated under the Food Hygiene Rating Scheme. Staying compliant isn't just good practice, it's essential. Running a food business is tough: orders, staff, cleaning schedules, inspections, all at once. Still juggling paper checklists and handwritten records. That's not just outdated, it's a hygiene risk. Meet Hygienius, your smart hygiene and compliance assistant, built for modern kitchens and food businesses. In busy kitchens, every task counts. With Hygienius, staff can tick off cleaning jobs in real time, no paperwork, no guesswork. Smart alerts keep your team one step ahead, from temperature checks to hygiene audits. And with a live dashboard showing compliance at a glance, staying audit ready has never been this simple. Worried about food safety after hours? Hygienius automatically logs fridge and freezer temperatures 24/7. Even when your kitchen is closed, you stay in control. Inspections? No panic. Everything's ready to show, digitally and professionally. Less stress, more control, total hygiene confidence. Download the Hygienius app today, because hygiene isn't optional, it's essential.